Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Practice English with Matt. I'm very glad that you've actually come to my channel and that you've made the first step to really improve your English. Every Wednesday I will be posting a new video just for you, which will definitely improve your level of English. All of my video content will focus on all of the areas of your English study. English conversation, listening, reading, grammar, and so much more. So keep coming back each week to learn something new. And don't forget, if you really like the video content that I post and it really helps you to improve your English, then like, comment, and share it so other people can view it and learn as well.